Right, I just want to talk to you about the SIP Vapor Ignition, or Vape, well, depending on how you want to call it. It's quite a good ignition from a Czech manufacturer that's quite well respected. There's a few little issues that I would like to deal with though. One of them, depending on which model you get, whether it's for the PX or the Lambretta or small frame, they make everything now. You get a flywheel, and quite a lot of times you might want to time off the flywheel fins. Now, the issue I have with that is that this flywheel fits in 6 different places. So if you want to use this mark here on your fan as your timing mark, that's okay. Let's say if your flywheel is in that position on those holes. But what about if you remount your flywheel in that position, or in that position, or in that position? You get the gist. Basically, there needs to be some way that you can make sure your fan always goes back onto the flywheel in the same position. So my tip for sorting out the making sure this goes on in the same position every time is to make a dot punch, and just for convenience I will use the keyway here, which you can see in there, and make a dot punch in line with it, dot there on that edge. You see that tiny dot there? Now when I choose to put my fan on, I'll put the fan on that way up as well, so that's where the screw holes are going to be. Now if I make a little dot punch in the aluminium there, that ensures, as long as you've got those two lined up, that means that the timing mark is always going to be in the same position. So you've got a way of aligning this flywheel with the fan every time. So that's going to make your life a lot easier if you use the outside of the fan as a reference for doing strobing.